This is a 2011 Buick Enclave. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, a sunroof, 3-zone automatic climate control, direct injection, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, a power driver's seat, cruise control, interior wood trim accents, side impact airbags, steering wheel mounted controls, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, variable valve timing, and this vehicle has fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.